Hey folks, Steve Cruz, fishingtheozarks.net, where it is, January 5th, I think, and we are out striper fishing. We got side planers out with shiners on them. We got umbrella rigs out the back. You know, we've tried this striper fishing about 3 or 4 times now, and they kind of suck. But it's a beautiful day, and the weather's been kind of crummy. We ran up the lake about 7 or 8 miles to get out of the muddy water, and we're marking fish here and there, and the seagulls are diving. So hopefully we're in the right spot, and we're going to troll around for a little while and see what happens. See ya. Pretty sure you can see them seagulls out in the background. Obviously the stripers are pushing the shad up to the top of the surface, and the seagulls are having lunch. So we were running side planers out, dragging a balloon with a shiner behind them, with a relatively low, small lead, hoping to keep that on top and get where the fish were. Well, as a result of doing that, we were running kind of slow, about a mile an hour. We went ahead and decided to put the umbrella rigs out, knowing that's a lot slower than we normally troll with them. So we had about 65 feet of line out on the umbrella rigs and ran up on a point and about 30 feet of water and snagged that bad boy up. So the message of the day is we learned that we can run them umbrella rigs a lot deeper if we're running slower, and since the water's cold, that might not be such a bad idea. So let's try it out. So it wound up getting a little windier, and we were using the gas motor to bump in and out, kind of trolling the speeds, and you can see we're trolling right into a nice flock of seagulls hitting the water, which means that hopefully some Action Jackson is about ready to get started. So let's see what happens. Baby's got a striper. Is that drag set good? No, I didn't say it. Don't tighten it up too much. Hold on. Okay. Oh yeah. Let me get the net ready. feel like a dandy? Don't overcrank him. But he's gonna probably, when he sees the boat, he's probably gonna take a run. So.
Right.
Can't see him.
It's a striper! Look at that!
Oh shit! Come on, head in the net.
Oh shit!
Come on! Yes.
Got him! I got a couple of rank amateurs there. Jeez Louise.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Let me see him.
Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Nice, baby. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Nice. First striper.
He's heavy. He's about 12 pounds.
I'd say
12 to 15.
somewhere in there.
Look at that.
Here, let me take some pictures. All right.
Ready?
First striper going back in the water.
It is my very first strike.
Sacrificing him to the god, back to the lake gods.
There you go, buddy. And he's gone.
Okay, people, we're back to trolling. I don't know if you can see it out here, but we got side planer boards with balloons out on them, and running off the front rods, little balloons, and little biodegradable rigs that if they do fall off, they don't hurt the fishies. Mama just caught her first striper, and seagulls are active. Second day of 60-degree weather after a lot of cold day. It's January 6th, and we're fishing, which is pretty dang cool.
Okay. Okay. Well, bring him in, baby. Baby got a striper. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's pretty. He's much bigger than the one I got. A little closer. Oh, I saw the boat. Oh my God, look at the size of him. Got him.
Don't lift the net straight up.
Oh. Baby! Look at that! Holy crap! Let me get him unhooked. Hold him still. Hold him still. Yeah, well. That is beautiful. That thing's like a 20-pounder.
Yep. Okay, you have to go back up front.
Okay, well.
Point the control motor back in the wind.
Okay, hold on.
Sure, yeah, that's good. Woohoo!
I gotta get a picture.
That's a dandy.
Okay. How do I do this?
Just steer the boat like you were.
Okay.
Do it. Yeah, there you go. You can touch the foot on the trolling motor a little bit. Man, that's got to be 20 pounds, huh?
Yeah. That's gotta be at least 20 pounds.
Okay. Now, once you get her straightened out, put her right into the wind.
Okay.
Crank the trolling motor up to about 8 or 9. Press mark real quick. Oh, I'm sorry.
Mark.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's all right.
Okay.
Okay, now straighten her up. Trolling motor.
I'm on it.
Okay. Now that should take us. Now you can.
Okay, now let me get a picture. Hold still.
Doggy! Doggy! Doggy!
Better now?
Huh?
Feel better now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this umbrella.
Hey folks, well we're back in our honey hole where we caught that last striper, and we're catching them on the umbrella rigs that we made ourselves, so that's kind of cool. You know, we put a little bit of effort in trying to figure the striper fishing out, and by no means do we know what we're doing, but we're having fun trying, that's for damn sure. And there's one at 43. Yeah, we got some fish on them. We'll slow it down. So I'm bumping in and out of gear, trolling umbrella rigs with one Alabama rig behind a side planer and one shiner dragging behind the other side planer. So that's what we're doing. I don't know if it works, but it's got us 2 fish today. So peace out. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Another day out in the water. Going home before dark for a change. Gonna keep Mama happy. You know what? Caught 2 stripers. So we are no longer striper virgins. I mean striper virgins. Anyway, had a great time. Hope you have fun. See ya!